Hi, it's time for another unboxing video. So today I'm unboxing the ELAC Sub1010 powered subwoofer, as you see the box right here. So it's a 10-inch high excursion woofer, 120 watt peak power, 60 watts RMS, variable crossover and phase, and auto on off. So spin on the box here, show you the other sides. So it says right here, designed and engineered by ELAC, made in China. So ELAC stands for electroacoustic, as you see right here. Electroacoustic GmbH in Kiel, Germany. That's where they're headquartered. They started in 1926, so they've been in business for a long time. U.S. offices in California. So this is my first product of theirs that I've ever bought. And let's see something on this side. Nope, it's the same thing. Alright, so I'm going to be using this with a Yamaha RS202 receiver, which does not have a subwoofer out. It's a stereo receiver. And so I'll use speaker set B and plug that into the high level inputs of the subwoofer. So there's two kind of inputs on a subwoofer: high level and low level. Low level is your standard coaxial type cable, and like an RCA cable. And the high level is the speaker level. So by plugging into set B, I can run set A and B on the receiver, and this won't present much of a load at all to the receiver because it's just like running another output. So anyway, I'm hoping it'll sound really good with my Mirage NanoSat speakers that I've got. So I've got a pair of NanoSat speakers in my office, and I'll make another video later on showing what that setup looks like, and maybe even give a little demonstration of the sound. So, because the NanoSats are definitely bass shy. I mean, nothing below 100 hertz, I would guess, because they're very small. Thus the name NanoSat. So let's open this baby up. I got this old-fashioned box cutter that I'm using today. Really good tape on this thing. So this is exactly the way it was shipped to me. I bought it from Amazon, which I think is just about the only retailer for this product. I don't know that there are any other retail stores selling it. There's eBay merchants selling it for a jacked up price because they're just getting it from Amazon and reselling it. And there we see operating instructions right there. ELAC, the life of sound. Always appreciate them being in a Ziploc, so you can reuse this bag. And of course we have our silica gel. We got our different corners here, and so there it is. So it's just about a 1 foot cube, so roughly. So I'm going to set this camera down right here and pull this out of the box. Okay, and there's the back of it. Tip it up so I can pull this plastic off. There's the feet. Nice big rubberized feet. which are removable. There's screws in there. Put the camera out of the way. Put it over here. And there we go. And so you see here, the back looks like. Here's your volume control right there. Really nice. These feel like metal. These feel like metal. Yeah, they are definitely metal. You can feel ridges in them. And there's the frequency right here. Put that at about the middle right here. And then you got your phase, 180 or 0. You just have to experiment as to which one is the best. If you're out of phase, you won't be getting much bass. If you're in correct phase with your speakers, it'll sound a lot louder. So that's how you use phase control. Just use your ears to test it. And at the bottom is on/off. So right now it's set in the off position. Actually, it's a 3-way toggle. So you've got on the left, and then auto in the middle, right there, and then off on the right. So that's cool. Pretty typical. These are nice toggle switches too. They feel really good. So yeah, a quality piece of work. I'll be using these high-level inputs right here, as you see. And these are the line level inputs. You could use with pretty much a home theater receiver. There's a few stereo receivers that have subwoofer outs, but they're pretty expensive. Like Denon has a receiver with a little miniature receiver with a subwoofer out. But my Yamaha RS202, which I love by the way, is high level out only. So that's it for today. That's the whole unboxing. I can spin this around so you can see the other sides. It's really nice finish. It really has a nice wood grain finish, and it feels textured. So, oh, there's the front. So right there, and there's the logo right there. The logo right there. And then I can try to pull this off, so you can see the actual woofer. Yeah, it comes right off. So that's nice. There we go. Yeah, beautiful rubber surround right here. This is some kind of reinforced fiber, like carbon fiber, I'd guess. Yeah, really high quality unit. So, yeah, I think I'm going to enjoy this a lot. So that's it for now. I'll be back with that actual performance test on another date. Thanks very much.